So, hello everyone. My name is Charles Miranda, and my partner will be covering the receptionist dashboard for our presentation. My part focuses on the doctor's dashboard, the system interface designed specifically for the medical staff. So, I will walk you through its core functionalities from navigating the UI to interacting with patients' data. So, first is login. To begin, we have a simple login interface. For this demo, I will log in using the credentials for Dr. Mary Caliposo. So then login. So login successful. So upon successful login, the main dashboard appears. As you can see, the layout is clean and intuitive. On the left is our navigation sidebar, and the central area presents the notification module by default. This welcome screen providers Dr. Calibasa with an immediate overview of new upcoming appointments. So, navigation modules. So, notification, patients, appointments, profile, and then log out. So, notification. This is our default view as mentioned. It provides a quick summary of new appointments. So diri appear ang new appointments. Erica de Guzman, then ang date, then ang patients. So clicking this button displays a detailed table of all the patients associated with Dr. Caliboso. The table includes columns for their names, appointments, so appointments. This view shows a comprehensive list. I so sa patient is pwede ma-edit ang notes. So then next is appointment. So then profile. So this is where Dr. Calboso can manage his own professional information such as his s- specialization, availability, and contact details. We can easily edit and save this information. So here's the doctor profile is she can edit her name, specialization, and then availability, and then contact number. So So this is example highlights of our data flow. The system loads necessary data flow from local CVS files and filters it to show only what relevant to Dr. Kaliwasa. When we make a change, the system saves that update information back to the file, ensuring a seamless and reliable experience. That concludes my portion of the presentation on the doctor's dashboard. I will hand it over to my partner who will be present the receptionist's dashboard. Thank you.